So this is called a Rubik cube. As you can see, it's scattered, and I'm going to try to solve it in 5 minutes. I don't know if I can do it, but let's give it a try. Okay, so the timer starts now. Okay, 5 minutes. Is it showing? Okay, 5 minutes. Mm, okay, give it a try. Hope I can do it though. Okay, front, up, uh-huh. Getting to that is difficult. Okay, trying to make a cross here. Right, you have it. One, two, 1, 2, 3, cross. Okay, right, you're done with this side. The edges. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're done. So I want to do it. How many minutes? 3 minutes. Seriously? Okay. Right. Can end the video.